you here with me. Those laughters and tears we share for years. The memories that we had so long, it's me and you. Now you've gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You'll break my heart. Hey, what should I do if I'm missing you? Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you. You've been a part of me.